before this moment, a lot of people complained about the fundamental case for Bitcoin, and you could complain even more when you're thinking about Dogecoin as a traditional investor. Also, a lot of people asking if institutional investors are buying this. Institutional investors who got into Bitcoin to begin with were comfortable with this world, were they not?
Yeah, but more or less. I mean, Dogecoin, I think, has surprised everybody with its staying power. And, when you talk about, the fundamental values, that gets kind of, sort of a philosophical discussion when it comes to crypto. But one thing about Dogecoin that's really interesting is it is actually very cheap to transact with, much cheaper than Bitcoin. So, we've had stories, you do actually find people like for remittances, people sending money back home to Venezuela to their parents. It's a lot cheaper to do that with Dogecoin than most other cryptocurrencies. And there's even people developing payments apps. There's a pizza place, Williamsburg Pizza in New York, that accepts Dogecoin. So it started as a joke. It still makes me laugh to think about it. But there is something there that's a little bit sort of more serious than most people realize, I think.
But how tied is this to Elon Musk? I mean, Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE. Yeah.
This rally we've seen, I think, is almost completely tied to Elon Musk. I mean, you start with the notion of sort of market beta. And the same is true in the stock market. When the S&P moves a certain percent, there are certain stocks that move a lot more than that. So Doge is starting from that layer, as are a lot of smaller meme coins. If Bitcoin's up, they're gonna be up a lot more. If it's down, they're gonna be down a lot more. But you cannot, sort of ignore the Musk connection here. Elon Musk has been a huge champion of Dogecoin, mainly, I think, just for the memes. The guy likes funny memes on the internet. Dogecoin is sort of the meme coin of choice on X and Twitter before that. So it's hard to know exactly if that's as far as Musk's appreciation for it goes. But regardless, crypto is all about speculation. He likes it. He's got the ear of the president. It's up almost 200% since the election.